Opening up education is a top priority for us at the Welsh Government, and I'm pleased to share some more positive news on that front today. This is the second week of our youngest pupils to be back in school, and I've seen firsthand what a difference this is already making. So thank you once again to everyone who is making this possible. We've already announced that from the 15th of March, if the scientific advice still says that it is safe to do so, all remaining primary school children will start to return to school, along with those in examination years and students doing similar qualification in colleges and work-based learning environments. There will also be flexibility for those in Years 10 and Year 12. I've also shared my intention to get all learners back to schools, colleges and training providers after the Easter break. Today, I am able to confirm our intentions to go even further, even earlier, and to give schools the opportunity to welcome back learners in Years 7, 8 and 9 before the Easter break. This would be to give learners the opportunity to check in with their teachers and with a strong focus on support for well-being and readiness for the full return to school after Easter. I want to make it clear now that this will not be a full return to school for Years 7, 8 and 9 before Easter. The focus before Easter will be on those learners who are undertaking qualifications, and especially those in Years 11 and 13 and those studying practical vocational qualifications. We will publish full guidance for schools at 9 AM today that will help with all the necessary planning. We will also be organising more virtual sessions for heads, which I know that you have found useful, and I will share details on social media. I would like to thank all of you once again for following the rules and driving down the transmission of the virus, and for giving us even more headroom to get learners back to our schools and back to our colleges. Together, we will keep Wales safe, and together we will keep Wales learning.